Will be live.
What's going on, YouTube family? It's the expert of the here, coming at you with another video and doing an unboxing for my growing collection of Bluetooth helmets, accessories. That's probably gonna go with my Phantom, or probably go here. We'll see, But I have many Bluetooth devices. I didn't see myself going into the Sena side of the house, but my Bluetooth is relatively old, my Q3, so I got this, at a pretty decent cost from Cycle Gear online. They hooked me up with a veterans discount, as always, so that's kind of why I went with it. I'm a Cardo guy. I like the Skylar Rider, which I have the majority here, and I've worked with other vendors to get unboxings and here and there. But this also frees me up where I can kind of if I need to switch it up a little bit, depending, like, this is mainly for my little crew. We roll together for like adventure rides, and I'm always missing out on the conversation, and I figured it was time. So let me go ahead and get this. All right, you have to get the box cutter. I'm like, man, that stuff was pretty in there. All right, so got my Sena S20 Evo. Opening that up for the first time. I actually had it for a little while now, but I figured during downtime and season is out, I figured let me go ahead and get that sort of content back on here. So, ooh, that looks pretty nice. I see. Let's take a look. So we got the cradle, and the boom is folks should consider. But this looks cool though, I must admit. It's light. We got the dial wheel. Alright. I guess when I do part 2, kind of like the practical application of how it works, me and my brother-in-law maybe can test it out. But let's see what other goodies we have in here. I'm sure the charging cable and all that good stuff is in here. So I'm right hand dominant, but ambidextrous, so yeah, it comes with, I guess, a standard micro USB cable, and I did see some. Well, it does have. This is similar to the other solutions. Alright, you got the pads. Yeah, the other boom solution. Okay, that's what I was looking for. So, and there's actually, yeah. Let's go ahead and open that up. Alright, so now that I got all this stuff open, yeah. So with that, this is the boom that I would prefer. See, not the. This way you don't have like that big protruding apparatus there. But Allen key, an extra boom in here. I guess the mic pad, and just if you have certain helmet types that have like gaps, you put that in there to kind of hold you over. But not bad. It's just an addition to the collection. I'll probably have one of every Bluetooth type, but I had to get this mainly to talk to my my Flat Earth Gang folks. So it looks cool. I think it does look cooler than the my Cardo system. since that didn't want to come out. But yeah, that's my Cardo. You've seen it on the other, some of my other videos. This does look better. It does. But this is more in league with like the Generation 2s and whatnot. But I'll do a sound test in another video. But quick unboxing of my Sena, new to my Bluetooth family, so I can talk to more people. I know this being more modern, it can pair up to other devices without too much of an issue. So I'll get the app for it for my phone and all that good stuff. But it looks pretty. So I'll set it up, do a test. That'll be a part 2 of the video, and then I'll just show you guys some of the other gear I'm rocking. So make sure you rate, comment, subscribe. ZX Predator out. Peace. Correction. After some inspection, I did find some extra ports here with the USB. I'm not sure what that does, but we'll see. But it does have it where you can put your own 3.5mm jack in there. So I stand corrected. This, interesting. Until I get like the pack talk, this will be it. We'll see. Looks good though. My thing, I would need to get a bunch of these cradles to stick on each of my helmets, because that's how I do my my Cardo systems. I have one for every helmet, so I could just take it off the dock, put it and cradle it into every other helmet. That's my thing. I have to see how much these run. As long as they're not too crazy expensive, we'll see how it goes, folks.